Good morning students, welcome back to e-learning programs. Dear students, today discuss about decimals for class 4 exercise 53. Today discuss about some questions. Let us start your questions. Dear students, in front of you first questions. Compare with. Compare, that means which number is greater. So in previous classes, previous video, I discuss about which number is greater. 192, 272. 272 is greater than 192. Students, this is the simple questions, numbers. But today, discussed decimals, fractions. So, how to compare such type numbers? In previous video, I say about 2.4. This is the whole parts. And this is decimal part. You know that. And at first you convert into like decimals. You know that like decimals. What is like decimals? After decimals, same numbers, same positions, times of numbers are equal. So here you watch, in whole parts no any numbers and whole parts no any numbers. After decimals, one digit, here 7 and here 2. Which number is greater? 7 is greater, yeah, 2 is greater. 7 is greater, so 0.7 is greater than 0.2. In this way you find out. Now second questions, here no any whole parts, here no any whole parts, and here points, point, and here 6, 6. And here 5, 9. Who is greater? 5 is greater, yeah, 9 is greater. 9 is greater, so 0.69 is greater than 0.65. Now, dear students, you watch here. In whole parts, here 9. In whole parts, here 6. Who is greater? 9 is greater, yeah, 6 is greater. 9 is greater, so 9.3 is greater than 6.9. In this way, you find out. Now, next questions. In whole parts, here 5. In whole parts, here 8. 8 is greater, yeah, 5 is greater. 8 is greater. So, only you see which number is greater. If you find out that number is greater, that means that number is greater than those numbers. In this way, you find out. Here, in whole parts, here 25, here 21. 25 is greater, yeah, 21 is greater. 25 is greater. And you see here in whole parts 6, 6. Both numbers are equal. Here point, point. Here 7, 7. And here no any numbers, so convert into like decimals. Here 1, here 0. 1 is greater, here 0 is greater. 1 is greater, so 6.71 is greater than 6.70. Now, dear students, fill in the blanks. Here 0, 1s, 0, 1s, because you read 1's place, 10's place, 100 place. Now find out. 0 1s, 2 10s, 7 hundreds. Here 7 ones, 3 tens, and 5 hundreds. And here 2 ones, 2 tens, 6 ones, 9 tens, 8 hundreds, 5 thousands. In this way, you fill in the blanks. Dear students, now find the place value of the given digits. Look after. 125.584. Now 5 ones, 2 tens. Here you write here 125. You know that 5 ones, 2 tens, 100. Five ones, 5 tens, 8 hundreds, and 4 thousands. In this way you find out. That means here next questions. 2 tens, 1 hundredths. In this way you find out place value. That means which numbers were situated. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place. Now write in descending order. At first you convert into like fractions. How to convert? Please 1.07, 12.93, 12.39, 0.67. All are converted into like decimals. After decimals, the place of numbers is equal. Here, which number? Descending order. That means greatest to a smallest. Greatest to a smallest. Who is greatest number? Whole parts. Here 1. Here 0.67. So this is the smaller of those numbers. Here 12.93, 12.39. Those numbers. Whole part is equal. Whole part is equal. But here decimals. Here 9. Here 3. Who is greater than both of numbers? 12.93 is greater. 12.93. Then 12.39, then 1.07, then 0.67. This is descending order. Dear students, in this way you find out descent order, and in next video discuss about how to convert, how to arrange in ascending order. So today's discussed about compare of numbers, find the place value of given digits and fill in the blanks of given digits, and how to write descending order. So dear students, please make related problems in exercise 53. Thank you students.